Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're exploring how virtual training is transforming Japanese auto line workers in 2026. We'll look at how VR, AR, and digital work instructions are changing training on the factory floor. Let's begin. Imagine stepping onto a busy assembly line where every move you make is guided by invisible experts. In 2026, virtual training has become the standard for Japanese car production. This tech uses virtual reality, augmented reality, and smart digital work instructions to help workers master complex tasks before they ever touch a live vehicle. As the industry shifts toward electric vehicles and hybrids, the pressure to launch new models without errors is higher than ever. Plants face tight quality goals and a shrinking pool of experienced labor. This guide covers how virtual tools bridge that gap. You will learn about specific training formats, the clear benefits for your plant's bottom line, and a simple plan to roll these tools out for your team without slowing down your daily output. What virtual training looks like for Japanese car line workers in 2026. Modern training on the shop floor isn't about sitting in a classroom for hours. It's about active practice in a safe, digital space. In 2026, Japanese automakers use three main formats: full VR simulations, AR overlays on the line, interactive digital instructions. These tools don't replace hands-on work. They make the time spent on the actual line much more productive. For example, a worker learning to install a complex wiring harness can practice the route dozens of times in a headset. They learn exactly where each clip goes and how to avoid pinching wires. At a fastener torque station, a trainee uses a simulated tool that mimics the weight and vibration of a real DC neutrunner. They learn the exact sequence for tightening bolts on a subframe. If they miss a bolt or follow the wrong pattern, the system flagged it immediately. This allows them to fail safely without wasting expensive parts or stalling the line. The same logic applies to applying adhesive beads. A worker can practice the speed and angle of the glue gun to get a perfect seal every time. Virtual training also changes how we handle end-of-line checks. Instead of shadowing a senior tech for weeks, a new hire uses a tablet that highlights specific areas to inspect. The software might circle a gap in a door seal or show the correct alignment for a badge. It acts as a digital coach that's always available. By the time the worker moves to the live station, they have the muscle memory and the confidence to keep up with the talk time. VR practice for repeatable tasks, safety drills, and high-cost mistakes. VR is the best choice for teaching sequences that require specific body movements. Workers put on a headset and enter a 3D version of their workstation. They practice their reach, where to stand to avoid strain, and how to handle heavy parts like battery packs. In 2026, these simulations are incredibly realistic. Safety is another big win for VR. Workers can experience near-miss events or practice lockout-tagout procedures in a virtual environment. If they make a mistake that would normally cause an injury or a fire, the screen turns red and explains what went wrong. They can repeat these drills until the safe habit is permanent. This builds massive confidence before their first real shift. That's it for part 1 of this video on virtual training for Japanese auto line workers in 2026. We've covered what virtual training looks like and how it's used on the production line. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.